I think political science is a super fun major. We have lots of fun in the classroom, lots of really interesting classes. It's also really great for exploring the world around us. So you get to learn a little bit about American politics, a little bit about international politics, and also just about what goes on in our brains when we're thinking about politics. So it's a really great interdisciplinary experience to learn about a lot of different things.
What are some of those cool classes?
I think American politics is really fun. It's an intro-level class that a lot of people take, if they're majors, if they're minors, if they're just interested. I also love teaching political psychology, what goes on in our brains when we're thinking about politics. We've got really cool classes about African politics, development politics, political philosophy, really a large range of different fun things to do.
And what can they do with a political science degree?
So our majors go on to do lots of different things. Political scientists go on to careers in business. It's actually a very common route that our majors take. Some of them go into public policy, working on political campaigns. Some of them work in the government or run for office themselves. And a lot of them just take the skills that they use to whatever field that they go into. So again, if they're in business, if they're working on campaigns, we provide a large range of different skills for our majors.
And any advice for this incoming class?
Have fun. It's the main thing. Enjoy what you do. I think that's one thing that we're really passionate about what we do, and we hope that you can find the same thing for yourselves.